Can we delete Reels watch history on Instagram? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you're wondering how to delete your Reels watch history on Instagram, here's the truth. So Instagram doesn't save or display a watch history for Reels. Since there is no direct way to view your watch history, there is also no option to delete it. Only alternatively, what you can do is you can delete those reels where you have interacted. For example, this is the reel video. Let's double tap to like it. Proceed by tapping on the profile at bottom right. Tap three-line menu icon. Here you got your activity option. Under that, there is interaction. Suppose likes. Here you can easily tap on all content type and sort, and uncheck post and tap apply. So these are all the liked Reels videos. Just now I have liked this Reel video. So you can see that you can long press on this particular reel and tap on unlike and remove from your liked watch history section. So this is only the alternative method to delete your Reels watch history on Instagram that you have interacted. There is no such other way to delete Reels watch history on Instagram directly. So I hope this guide was informative. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.